Lexus South Pointe is offering this certified pre-owned 2016 Lexus GS 350 premium package in atomic silver with Flaxen interior. It's an all-wheel drive mid-size sports sedan that's powered by a V6 3.5-liter engine producing 311 horsepower. Standard features include blind spot monitor system with rear cross traffic alert, which means when you're in reverse as objects approach your vehicle, you will be alerted. Ventilated front seats, clearance and backup sensors, power assisted trunk close, power rear window sunshade, power folding mirrors, and lastly premium LED headlights. It has just over 61,000 kilometers on it and has been serviced regularly at a Lexus dealership. Here is a nice screenshot showing the service history, and when looking at the Carfax, it has a clean history with only one owner. For more information or to set up a test drive, call us at 780-989-2222 or email sales@lexussp.com. Check the description field for more information about this vehicle and our dealership. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.